I think I messed up by not discovering bioenergetic healing sooner. At Brink LLC, we're all about empowering you to take control of your health. Imagine identifying energetic imbalances in your body and getting a personalized program just for you. Sounds amazing, right? Using cutting-edge bioenergetic scanning technology, we help you strengthen your immune system, enhance cellular energy, and restore your body's natural balance. And guess what? Our Infoceuticals resonate at the same frequency as healthy human cells, promoting optimal cell function. Kelly's personal health journey helps her truly understand and empathize with your wellness goals. Our mission is to arm you with the tools and resources to achieve a healthier, more vibrant life. So, are you ready to optimize your self-healing abilities and live your best life? Visit kellybrink.com and start your journey to wellness today. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health program.